Okay, we studied about the comparatives. Okay, remember I told you you got to memorize these words. Okay, let's review these words. Okay, what's the comparative form of cheap? It is cheaper. What about tall? Taller. B. One more G and ER. Bigger. What about wide? Wider. Comfortable. More comfortable. Expensive. Same. More, add more, and expensive. Heavy. Heavy. Y change into I. Oops. I and ER. And pretty. Pretty same. Y change into I and ER. Okay, what's the comparative form of good? Better. What about bad? Worse. Good. Okay, now let's read these words once again. You repeat after me, okay? Cheaper. Taller. Bigger. Wider. More comfortable. More expensive. Heavier. Prettier. Better. Worse. Good. Now, open your workbook, workbook page 80. Workbook page 80. Ready? The brown sofa is bigger. The brown sofa is bigger. Number 1, complete the conversations. 1. The striped sofa is big, but the black sofa is bigger. Okay, next, number 2. The gray stove looks good, but the white stove looks better. Okay, number 3. The white refrigerator is heavy, but the gray refrigerator is, what's the answer? Heavier. Number 4. The black chair is comfortable, but the checked chair is, the answer is more comfortable. Okay, repeat after me. Number 1, the striped sofa is big, but the black sofa is bigger. Number 2, the gray stove looks good, but the white stove looks better. Number 3, the white refrigerator is heavy, but the gray refrigerator is heavier. Number 4, the black chair is comfortable, but the checked chair is more comfortable. Okay, good. Now, cover the sentence parts. Cover this part and look at only the pictures. Look at the pictures. Okay, and I'm going to ask you some questions. You answer to that, okay? Cover the sentences. Look at the sofas, okay? Which sofa is bigger? The striped sofa or the black sofa? Which sofa is bigger? The striped sofa or the black sofa? The answer is the black sofa is bigger. Number 2, which stove looks better? Which stove looks better? The gray stove or the white stove? Yes, the white stove looks better. Look at the refrigerators. Number 3, which refrigerator is heavier? Which refrigerator is heavier? The white refrigerator or the gray refrigerator? The answer is the gray refrigerator is heavier. Number 4, which chair is more comfortable? Which chair is more comfortable? The plaid chair or the checked chair? The answer is the checked chair is more comfortable. Good job. Okay, let's move to number 2. Complete the conversation. Use comparatives. Okay, use comparatives. Now, let's read this conversation with me, okay? You read this conversation with me. Which chair is more comfortable? The blue chair or the red chair? I don't know, but the blue chair is prettier. I like the pattern and the color. I do too. Is it more expensive? Don't worry about the price. This is a thrift shop. Everything is cheaper than in a department store. Right. Well, the red chair is bigger than the blue chair. It's heavier too. I want the blue chair. Okay, let's ask about the price. Repeat after me. Which chair is more comfortable? The blue chair or the red chair? I don't know, but the blue chair is prettier. I like the pattern and the color. I do too. Is it more expensive? Don't worry about the price. This is a thrift shop. Everything is cheaper than in a department store. Right. Well, the red chair is bigger than the blue chair. It's heavier too. I want the blue chair. Okay, let's ask about the price. Good job. Now, let's go back to our student book, page 87. Our student book, page 87. B. Talk with a partner, change the bold words, and make conversations. Okay, you see 2 tables there and then 2 lamps there. Now, there is a conversation A and B. Okay, conversation. Look at the conversation. Repeat after me. Which table is heavier? The dining table is heavier. Okay. From number 1 through number 5, we are going to compare 2 tables. And then from number 6 through number 10, we are going to compare 2 lamps. Okay, let's look at number 2. Number 2, which table is smaller? Which table is smaller? The answer is the kitchen table is smaller. 3, which table is more expensive? Which table is more expensive? The answer is The dining table is more expensive. The dining table is more expensive. Number 4, which table is taller? Which table is taller? Yes, the kitchen table is taller. Number 5, I'm sorry. Which table is wider? Which table is wider? The dining table is wider. Okay, let's compare two lamps. Number 6, which lamp is shorter? Which lamp is shorter? The desk lamp is shorter. Number 7, which lamp is more beautiful? Which lamp is more beautiful? The desk lamp is more beautiful. Number 8, which lamp is cheaper? Which lamp is cheaper? The answer is the floor lamp is cheaper. Number 9, which lamp is better? Which lamp is better? The answer could be different. Some say the desk lamp is better, and the others say the floor lamp is better. It could be subjective. Okay. Number 10, which lamp is larger? Which lamp is larger? The desk lamp is larger. Okay, now, like we did before, cover the sentence parts here and then look at just the pictures, 2 tables and 2 lamps. Just to look at the pictures and then I'm going to ask you some questions. You answer to that, okay? Look at the tables. Which table is heavier? Which table is heavier? The answer is the dining table is heavier. Next, which table is smaller? Which table is smaller? The kitchen table is smaller. Okay, which table is more expensive? Which table is more expensive? The dining table is more expensive. Which table is wider? Which table is wider? The dining table is wider. Now, look at the lamps. Which lamp is shorter? Which lamp is shorter? The answer is the desk lamp is shorter. Which lamp is more beautiful? Which lamp is more beautiful? The desk lamp is more beautiful. Which lamp is cheaper? Which lamp is cheaper? The floor lamp is cheaper. Which lamp is better? Which lamp is better? The desk lamp is better, or the floor lamp is better. Okay, good. Now, let's go back to our workbook again. Our workbook, page 81. Workbook, page 81. Number 3, look at the ad and answer the questions. Then listen. Okay, you see the ad there. It says, moving soon. Buy my furniture, 55 Lincoln Avenue. Okay, you see the tables, sofas, appliances, desks, chairs, lamps on the ad. Let's look at number 1. Which table is bigger? Which table is bigger? the dining room table is bigger. Okay, number 2, which chairs are smaller? Which chairs are smaller? The red chairs are smaller. The red chairs are smaller. Because, why? Because they are for children. Number 3, which appliance is more expensive? Which appliance is more expensive? The refrigerator is more expensive. Look at the ad there. Stove is $200 and refrigerator is $250. So the refrigerator is more expensive. Number 4, which desk is older? The blue desk is older. Number 5, which sofa is longer? Which sofa is longer? The green sofa is longer. Number 6, which lamp is shorter? The black table lamp is shorter. Okay, same. Cover the sentence part and look at the ad only. I'm gonna ask you some questions. Look at the tables first. Tables. Which table is bigger? Yes, the dining room table is bigger. Look at the sofas. Which sofa is longer? The green sofa is longer. Okay, let's look at the appliances. Which appliance is more expensive? Which appliance is more expensive? The refrigerator is more expensive. Okay, what about desks? Which desk is older? Which desk is older? Yes, the blue desk is older. Okay, what about chairs? Which chairs are smaller? Which chairs are smaller? The red chairs are smaller. Okay, now lamps. Which lamp is shorter? Which lamp is shorter? The black the black table lamp is shorter. Which lamp is taller lamp? The green floor lamp is taller. Okay, good job. Good. Okay, now we studied about the comparatives. Okay, so you got to memorize these words, and then especially irregular adjectives, you have to memorize them. Okay, and then next time, why don't you study workbook page 82 and 83, so we can study all together with those pages. Okay, now let's take a break, and then I will come back. Okay, thank you.